Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Joe Flash, and I'm finally going to do another Try Not to Laugh challenge. And I told you that last night I was going to do one, and I was going to look up one that featured air horns. So here we are. I found one. It's called Air Horn Number 7 Compilation 2018 Try Not to Laugh. So I'm doing another Try Not to Laugh challenge of air horns, which I really was finding, as I said, and I finally found one that I've never seen before. So I'm going to go right ahead and get into it. I'm prepared. And yeah, I mean, I haven't really been smiling or laughing too much today, so hopefully I should pass this one again. I remember the one of them I almost nearly failed, but I still managed to pass. So hopefully I'll be able to make it through this one since I haven't really smiled or laughed too much today. So let's go right ahead and get into this video, shall we? So like John Cena and Triple H always say, your time is up, my time is now, it's time to play the game. And once again, I'm challenging you guys to do this challenge with me, so be prepared if you want to do it with me. So let's get into this video, shall we? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. I've seen lots of these things in the seats. I wonder how you managed to put it in the seat. That looks hard. Oh, I thought that was a man. See, I'm smiling already. That girl. That was pretty loud. I like that guy, the way he came up, from the truck, like he just appeared and then disappeared. That was pretty funny, but I didn't laugh, though. That one I told you about the guy when he came up from the car, that one almost made me laugh. See, there's a reason why I chose this one, because most of the time whenever I've been watching air horn pranks, but that didn't say try not to laugh, pretty much I laughed at them because they were just so hilarious. I just thought I'd make this a good challenge for me since these air horn videos really do make me laugh a lot, so I thought I'd try one with try not to laugh. His face, though. Hang in there, man. Hang in there. That one didn't even work. What was that? Is that the same guy that we saw earlier? I don't know. Got a British blanket and pillow. That woman, though, didn't even work right. That guy in the chair. That one almost got me, too. Dang, that girl's got a tattoo on her arm. She's got some serious tattoos on her arm. Knocked down the pillow. Just threw it at him instead. That was a good one. He just threw it at him instead when it just didn't work. And it still scared him awake. That, the way she just turned her head. Be lucky that guy ain't on the edge, otherwise he would have fell off the boat and landed in the water. Just run away. These are really making me smile. But so far I still haven't laughed yet, so I'm doing really good. I'm not laughing yet. Because if I laugh, I fail, so I'm doing really good. A lot of these videos are just really making me smile. Hopefully they don't make me laugh. They look like Edge. The way she jumped back, that was amazing. Is that a camp? That kind of almost reminded me of my camp that I went from, the retreat thing. That kind of almost looked like the same bedroom area and everything. That's kind of what it reminded me of. Was that a security guy? These videos are really making me smile. Just flopped. That one almost nearly. Like Zack Ryder. That one almost got me too. See, there's a reason why I chose air horn pranks. Why I chose an air horn edition of a Try Not to Laugh, because these things make me laugh so much. Did you see that? Instead of just getting scared, he just blasted his eyes awake. That was actually a pretty good response, actually. Wow. So I passed again. Woo! I did it again. I passed. Luckily, too, because I almost knew he would have failed. But as I said, I passed, and well, that concludes the video for today, you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike, give it a thumbs down, and if I do, maybe I'll find some more Try Not to Laugh challenges or something else. But until then, this is Jeff Lash signing off, and have a good day.